WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, is to realize the operating environment of Linux on Windows. Previously, it was distributed as Bash on Windows, and it is an evolved version. You can install it if your Windows is a 64-bit version of Windows 10. However, the version must be updated to 1709 or later. Here, we are going to install Ubuntu on WSL. First, you need to check the Windows version. Enter Windows key plus X and select System in the menu. In this system, it is a 64-bit system and the version is also 1709 or later, so we can confirm that installation is possible. Next, enter Windows key plus X and select App and Function in the menu. Next, select Program and Function in the menu on the right. Then, a Windows or Program and Function is newly displayed, so select Windows Function Enable, Disable from the left menu. Then a checklist of Windows Function Enable, Disable is displayed in the Windows Function window. Check Windows Subsystem for Linux in this. Then click the OK button. The installation will start. When the installation is completed, a completion message will be displayed, so click the Restart Now button. Upon completion of rebooting, we are going to install Ubuntu. Click the Windows button and select the Windows Store. In the search box, enter Linux. Then, Linux of various distributions will be displayed, so select Ubuntu in this. Installation button will be displayed, so click this button. When the installation is completed, click the Launch button. When it is started up, a window for Ubuntu appears. Enter the username and password on this system. Then the command prompt is displayed. We are going to check the installed version here. In the command line, type lsv_release A. You will find the version of Ubuntu installed. Also type cat proc version. The WSL version is displayed. We are going to get Ubuntu update information here. Type sudo apt update. We are going to update the system actually based on the update information. Type sudo apt upgrade. It's okay. It was updated. Thank you for your watching.